Class 121 means class 1 of mechatronics. In power electronics, we had used number up to 118. I would like to use a fresh number 121 by ignoring 119 and 120. So, class 121 so far means class 1 of mechatronics. Mechatronics mechatronics means combination of mechanical, electrical, electronics and computer devices and techniques. This combination or integration, the right word is integration, not just combination, it is integration. This integration leads to what is called as more efficiency or better effect, and this integration is also called as synergistic integration. Means in most of the cases, the when you integrate many things together, the effect will be more. It should be more. In a mechatronic system, it should be more. Otherwise, there is no use of integrating many things together. For example, say you have home in one building, toilet say 20 feet away from the main building as a separate building, car shed in another building separately, say 10 feet away from the home. Now the total cost will be more because you have to construct three buildings. Also, you will have to spend more time and energy in moving from one building to another building. But suppose say in a single building you have toilet, kitchen, bathroom, everything, and car shed attached to the same wall of the building. Now all the things are integrated, incorporated in a single building. This is called as mechatronics. Example, okay? So mechatronics means a system where electrical, mechanical, and computer, electrical, mechanical, electronics, and computer devices and techniques are incorporated, integrated such that the effect is synergistic. Means the output will be effect benefit will be more than the individual, more than the sum of the individual effect. Suppose say you have clock separate, phone separate, and say TV separate. Okay, the cost will be higher. For clock you have to spend, phone you have to spend, and TV you have to spend. Say internet facility you have to spend again. Four devices as separate. Now in a smartphone you have clock, you have phone, you have TV, you have internet connection, many things are there. So suppose say you get enjoyment, benefit of say 1 unit from clock, 2 unit from phone, 10 unit from TV, okay, and from internet, say 5 units, okay, 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 10 or whatever it is, say it comes to around 20. But if you have all these four things in a single device, you get an enjoyment of not just 20, you get an enjoyment of 50 or 100 or even more, because cost is very much reduced, space is very much reduced, time, energy, everything is reduced. So that is the benefit of mechatronics system. Smartphone is an excellent example for a mechatronic system. Now in the mechatronic system you have different levels. You already know what is a mechatronic system. The simplest one is integration of an electric and mechanical device. So mechatronics, in the basic level, it is electrical plus mechanical. For example, say a relay is operated by a CT. A relay has electrical and mechanical device. There is an armature which moves, and relay is an electrical device. To the relay, you have usually a CT may be given as the signal for the for the actuation of relay. So relay is an actuator and CT is a sensor. So in the basic system, you have only two devices, actuator and sensor. In a basic mechatronic system, that is first level or primary level of mechatronics. Okay, next you have secondary level of mechatronics or second level of mechatronics. This incorporates, adds microelectronics to electrically controlled devices. Means already you have mechanical and electrical. Now electronics is also introduced. Okay, this is called as second level. Example, audio and video cassette players. Some of you may be knowing audio or video cassettes where they are played in a audio tape recorder or video cassette players. So you have mechanical, electrical as well as some electronics. So this is second level of mechatronics system. Next, third level of mechatronics. In the third level, advanced feedback option and control techniques are used. Okay, for example, in a smartphone, there is a touch screen. So there is feedback, advanced feedback. Okay, we can give feedback just by touching the screen. Okay, and the control technique is now not simple ICs or transistor diodes, etc., which are used in cassette players, but they are sophisticated electronics which use microprocessors. Okay, and there are and a variety and a specific type is also called as application specific integrated circuit or application specific IC. In automatic control, automatic washing machine or automatic devices, some ICs help in making the work compact, easy, and also cheap. ICs which are specifically designed for washing machines, say, hence they are called as application specific ICs. For example, say you have a video cassette or audio cassette. It is just a mechanical device. There is no electronics in a cassette, but in hard disk and CD drives, which are also memory devices only like a cassette. But here you have microelectronics introduced into the hard disk. So these are third level, higher level of mechatronics system. Next we have fourth level, that is artificial intelligence. So here example, okay, you have computer guided vehicles. Some cars are there which are already available, but government has to give license or permission to use. Okay, suppose say an accident happens, who should be held responsible? Should the owner be held responsible or the company or the government? Hence, in many countries, government has not given permission to use electrical computer guided vehicles. So without a driver, you can use that vehicle. So this is called as the fourth level mechatronics or most advanced. The advantage is cost effective. No need of driver to the car, say. Okay, so cost will be less. Take example of a car on which home is also made. So for poor people, a home built within a car may be good because it is cost effective for him. If you have separate house, separate toilet, separate kitchen, separate car shed, separate car, then total cost may be 40 50 lakhs. But suppose a car is only 5 lakhs, and if you build a home within the car, it may cost up to 10 lakhs. So instead of 40 to 50 lakhs, 10 lakhs is making your work completed. It becomes very easy to you to move from kitchen to toilet, toilet to kitchen, bathroom, etc. Because everything is very close to you. So that advantage is there. That is the advantage. Cost is also less, but initial cost will be high. Initially, nobody will like to have home inside the car. So initial cost may be high till mass production happens. Initially, smartphones, computers were costly. Later, it became cheap, and the flexibility will be lesser in case of mechatronic system. Okay, in mechatronic system, say if you have car home in a car, okay, or say an IC used specifically for washing machine, that IC cannot be used for another machine. But there are some general purpose ICs which can be used by anything for many machines. For example, say here, but the flexibility will be lesser in mechatronic system. If you have everything in a car, you will have lesser flexibility. You can use only one or two persons, and you can use the car only for sleeping. You cannot use, say, for other purpose, say for function, meeting. You cannot use that car because only one or two persons can be accommodated in such a car to use it as home. You cannot have a family house in a car. But for poor people who live single, for them in many countries, they make car itself as their home to save money because they don't have land or anything to purchase own a house or pay rent. Fine. In America, in US, it is famous because there a car is cheaper than these things because rent is also costly and homes are also costly. Right. So for a poor person, such system will be better. But flexibility will be less in case of mechatronic system. See, you can use it only for washing machine or similarly a car home can be used only for one or two persons and for only for sleeping, drinking, sitting, and that's all. You cannot use it for a meeting. You cannot use it for prayer hall. You cannot use such many things cannot be used, cannot be done there. So these advantages and disadvantages are there. So you can know the other. And in mechatronic system, the person should have higher knowledge to operate it. Say smartphone, an illiterate person cannot enjoy all the facilities given the smartphone. To operate it and use effectively, he needs higher knowledge. So this is there. So other advantages and disadvantages, you can see the notes.